In complex operations, unexpected incidents happen every day. A machine stops, a quality issue appears, or a safety concern is raised. When that happens, delays start immediately. But the real challenge isn't the issue itself, it's the response that follows. Too often, the human response relies on handoffs, guesswork, and multiple people trying to coordinate action. And the people involved don't always have access to the information they need to solve the problem, which leads to time being lost before the right person even gets involved. SQUEAKS makes the human response visible by ensuring the right person is notified at the right time and guiding them through the actions needed to resolve the issue. With fewer people involved, SQUEAKS creates a faster path to resolution. An incident can be detected in two ways. Machines detect problems, and people detect problems. Either way, SQUEAKS flags the issue immediately, making the incident visible and managing the human response. SQUEAKS captures incident context immediately. Incidents are then classified by type, asset, location, and more. SQUEAKS uses this context to direct the incident to the best fit responder. Not just whoever is available, but the person with the right skills, on shift, and close to the problem. This prevents unnecessary reassignments and eliminates confusion over ownership. Once ownership is clear, the responder receives the alert, equipped with incident context including asset, location, type, and time. SQUEAKS supports the response with structured workflows that provide step-by-step guidance to address the incident. At the same time, SQUEAKS automatically finds the information needed to help solve the issue, including past incidents, standard work instructions, troubleshooting guidance, and documentation. Once the incident is resolved, SQUEAKS provides digital history of what happened and how it was solved. That digital thread gives visibility into performance, accountability, and reoccurring issues. SQUEAKS metrics makes performance measurable by giving leadership visibility into response times, escalation patterns, and responder success. Built-in reporting makes it easy to view these patterns and find areas where response can be improved. SQUEAKS makes the human response visible with fewer people involved and a faster path to resolution, connecting every incident to the right person and guiding the response from start to finish.